Free verse is a form of poetry which generally has no rules. It does not follow any typical poetic meter and does not have any rhyme scheme. This allows poets to be quite creative when creating their free verse poetry, as they do not have to be restricted with the rhythm or the amount of syllables in the poem itself, allowing them to focus on literary devices instead of the rhythm of the poem. As poets who create rhyming poetry tend to forget to focus on figurative language, and will usually get caught up in the rhythm of the poem rather than the language techniques they are using. It's hard to give tips on how to write free verse poetry, as everyone does it differently, as it does not follow any rules at all. That being said, you should always try to be using figurative language where possible and whenever possible. Be descriptive and be creative. And one other tip is to think of a topic and stick with that topic. Your topic could be an emotion, a feeling, an action, or anything. Once you find a topic to write about, it will only make it easier to write your poem. And now is up to you to write your own free verse poem. It could be as creative or wacky as you wish. It could be as long or as short as you want. And most importantly, it can be about anything. So go ahead and write your own free verse poem. Remember to subscribe for more of my own poetry and tips. I'll see you all later.